Welcome to the Tech Security Alert channel, and we of course talk about ransomware. We talk about different attacks happening around the world. If there's late breaking news on something important, we will talk about it here. So today we're talking about a interesting side to ransomware. So we see that there's a lot of attacks around the world for organizations, and obviously these groups that do ransomware and do ransomware attacks, of course, are there to make money. The FBI says that the Conti Ransomware gang has and is still attempting to breach the networks of at least a dozen U.S. healthcare and first responder organizations. So this is kind of interesting. We know that health care files and information are a big chunk of information. There's a lot of data. They can sell that data and have a lot of different things they can do with it to make money. It's really a gold mine, anything that has to do with healthcare in general. And of course, all the personal details that you get from everybody. So at least 16 Conti ransomware attacks targeting U.S. healthcare and first responders networks have been detected, and even trying to actually attack the 911 alert system, which is pretty crazy. The Conti ransomware attacks are done in different ways, of course, with all sorts of, the number one way we know for ransomware attacks are often email. So, sending emails and trying to lure people into clicking or having something, giving information about something and passing for somebody else, which sometimes works. And basically, the ransomware attack is done from a group. So this group is, of course, a notorious Russian group. And it's interesting to see that a lot of companies, including Microsoft, are trying to shut down a lot of the bots or the networks where all of this is coming from. A lot of it is very automated. So they have what we call a trick bot, which actually distributes all sorts of emails and all sorts of information to try to lure and get, of course, into these attacks. The FBI itself is actually telling everybody that works in any fields of healthcare, if they think some form of ransomware attack might have, even if it's not successful, if they've got emails, if they've got something that they suspect could be for ransomware purposes, to actually contact them, because they want to gather as much information as possible. And hopefully, and let's hope it does, maybe have a possibility of arresting some of the bad guys at some point. So it's a crazy world, but a lot of the services are vulnerable, and we have to educate as much the people that work to make sure that we stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.